How can you change the calendar layout on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here on the Foxtecc for the first time, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So when you open up your Apple Calendar, you can see we have a couple of different views which are available to you. So for example, if you are on a day view, you can click the button at the top and choose it from the single day to multi-day, right? So it's going to show you more days, 2 days at the same time, and it kind of works like this. Or you can also switch it to the list, which is going to show you the list of upcoming events and calendar entries, in a list, so you'll be able to browse it that way. Or you can also switch to the month view, and in there you also have a compact, stacked, or a details view available. So that is something which you can switch in between as well. But the point is generally that you also have the pinching gesture available. So if you go to the regular day view, you can pinch in to zoom it out and stretch out the time there, or you can pinch it together to make it more compact. And yeah, that's how you can manage or change the layout if that is what you mean. If you don't really like the way the Apple Calendar works, you can also explore more options like Google Calendar, as I mentioned here. So those might work a bit better, and perhaps you will find that it fills your needs a bit, in a better way. So the point I'm trying to make is that you don't have to stick with the Apple Calendar, as you can sign in with different accounts to different calendar clients, which you can get on the App Store. So plenty of different options if you don't like it within one app only. So let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.